In this video, I will demonstrate step by step how I use the simulator from start to finish, including the vehicle control and how the training process progresses. First, I supply power to the system via UPS. You should make sure that UPS is opened before TV and display screens are working correctly. Finally, I start the simulator computers and 3D motion platform. When the computers are powered on, the simulation software starts automatically. From the main screen, I start the simulation. There are multiple training scenarios available in the main menu, such as hill driving, low bed loading, stacking. These scenarios allow the operator to experience different working conditions and task types. Depending on the training requirements, a suitable scenario can be selected. I select the scenario that is appropriate for this training. Before the scenario starts, I review the task briefing and the required steps. Before starting the operation, I adjust seat and fasten the seat belt. I activate the parking brake and shift the transmission to neutral. The system does not allow the machine to start unless the gear is in neutral. I turn the ignition key to the first position and wait for the system check to complete. After the indicator lights are verified, I turn the key to the second position. Once the system is running, I release the parking brake. During the simulation, I monitor the vehicle speed, gear status, and system warnings from the instrument panel. Using the interface, I can change camera angle to observe the working area from different perspectives. By using the left and right brake levers, I can independently control the tracks and perform maneuvering. I control the blade movement using the blade lever to raise and lower it. Using the ripper lever, I lower, raise and position the rear attachment. After completing the operation, I open report section. From here, I can view all recorded sessions based on the trainee, date and scenario. The detailed performance report for the selected session is displayed on the right side of the screen. In this report, the operator's score, task completion rate, time efficiency and error-free operation are evaluated separately. Each category contributes to the total score based on predefined training priorities. Below the target tasks, completed steps and assigned scores are listed for each task. Time usage is evaluated by comparing the ideal time with the trainee's actual time. Errors and violations are reflected in the report together with the penalty coefficients. In addition, the trainee's actual fuel consumption with the ideal fuel consumption defined for the scenario. This allows the evaluation of fuel efficiency and economical operations. In the scenario settings section, I can adjust the weighting of evaluation criteria. Task completion, time usage and error-free operation can be configured to affect the overall score according to the training objectives. Each scenario includes a list of individual tasks. By defining task priorities and time sensitivity, the system determines which actions the operator should focus on more closely. In the violations section, undesired behaviors during the scenario are defined. When these violations occur, penalty coefficients are applied and directly affect the scoring. By defining the ideal fuel consumption for the scenario, fuel efficiency can be evaluated accurately within the reports. In the settings menu, I can configure system parameters and motion platform settings. When necessary, I can test the motion platform to verify proper system operations. By following these steps, I can operate SANLAB Dozer Simulator in a safe, controlled, and efficient manner.